Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Mailchimp affiliate, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Mailchimp affiliate login URL. Press the enter key to navigate to the page. Once the page loads, look for the login section. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed. Once you've entered your email and password, click the Login button. Wait for the page to refresh and navigate you to the dashboard. If you encounter any issues, double-check your login credentials. For added security, you may be prompted to complete a two-factor authentication step. Follow the instructions provided for two-factor authentication if applicable. After successfully logging in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. You can now access your affiliate tools and resources. If you need assistance, refer to the help section available within your dashboard. This concludes the quick tutorial on logging into Mailchimp affiliate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.